Welcome to our CFP exam prep discussion, focusing on options and derivative securities. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most challenging yet crucial topics that frequently appears on the exam. Let's break down options to their fundamental components. An option is a contract that gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. The two primary types are call options and put options. A call option gives you the right to buy, while a put option gives you the right to sell. Understanding the core components of an option contract is essential. The strike price, also known as the exercise price, is the predetermined price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold. The expiration date marks when the option contract ends. The premium is what you pay upfront to purchase the option contract. Many test takers get confused about option premiums. Remember that premiums consist of two parts: intrinsic value and time value. Intrinsic value is the actual value if exercised immediately, while time value is the extra premium paid for the potential future value. A common exam mistake is forgetting that even out-of-the-money options still have time value. Here's a practical example that often appears in exam questions. Let's say a stock is trading at $50. A call option with a strike price of $45 has intrinsic value of $5 because you can buy at $45 and sell at $50. If the option premium is $7, then $2 represents the time value. Test takers frequently struggle with identifying whether an option is in the money, at the money, or out of the money. For call options, if the stock price is above the strike price, it's in the money. For put options, it's the opposite. The exam loves to test this concept with tricky scenarios. Another critical concept is understanding option strategies. A covered call, where you own the stock and sell a call option against it, is a popular strategy that appears on the exam. The maximum profit is limited to the premium received, plus any appreciation up to the strike price. Many students mistake this for unlimited profit potential. Options can be used for speculation or hedging. The exam often presents scenarios where you need to identify the most appropriate strategy for a client's objectives. A protective put, for instance, is like buying insurance for your stock position. Test takers sometimes forget that while this strategy provides downside protection, it comes at the cost of the premium. Let's address the risk profiles. The maximum loss for a purchased call or put option is limited to the premium paid. However, when selling options, the risk can be substantial or even unlimited for naked calls. This is another area where test takers make mistakes in calculating potential losses. Remember that American-style options can be exercised anytime before expiration, while European-style options can only be exercised at expiration. The exam might try to trick you by including this detail in a question about optimal exercise timing. Understanding these option concepts isn't just about memorizing definitions. It's about comprehending how they work together and applying them to real-world scenarios. When studying for the exam, practice calculating break-even points, maximum profit, and maximum loss scenarios. These calculations frequently appear in exam questions and require careful attention to detail. Stay focused on these key points and keep practicing with different scenarios. Options may seem complex at first, but with proper understanding and regular practice, you'll be well prepared for any option-related questions on the CFP exam.